There is a lot of chaos in the nationwide market that you probably are hearing in the media, from potential housing bubbles to massive foreclosures. What can you believe, and what's really happening with the market in Maryland? It's Friday, October 10th, 2025. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's boutique brokerage. This is the weekly Maryland Market Minute. Maryland's housing shortage and demand remain consistent, and prices have not dropped, to the dismay of many, meaning that if there are homeowners that are in that tricky spot between default and foreclosure, most have a lot of equity that could be captured through selling before they allow the bank to foreclose. Unfortunately, most homeowners in that spot are very stressed and will bury their head in the sand instead of seeking qualified assistance to help. Data indicates that the number of actual foreclosures in Maryland is relatively low at 131 units compared to the highest number in October 2023 of 229. July 2025 saw the highest level of notices of foreclosures issued at 849, though the following months moved into the relative position consistent over the past several years, no more remarkable than the 762 in 2023. Analyzing those that did go to foreclosure, nearly 91.3% of those homes could have been sold with the owner breaking even or with funds to walk away whole, thereby avoiding the foreclosure, the crushing credit score, and related stress. Bringing us to the new resale inventory to hit the market of 2,287 units for sale, 24.7% below last report at a median $435,000. 1,320 homes are poised to come soon. Homes going under contract fell this report to 1,579 units at a median $429,900. These went under contract in 23 days. 956 units sold in 22 days at 100% list to sold ratio at a $430,000 median sold price. Rental properties available rose again this week to 3,613 units and remain at a median $2,600 per month. Got questions about your specific circumstances? Give me a call and let's talk. That's your wrap for this week's Maryland Market Minute for Friday, October 10th, 2025. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. Stay safe.